Know what you're thinking. He's lost it. He's officially lost it. But let's be honest. We all go through it. We all feel incredibly lazy at times. We all just don't want to get up at times. But the truth is, it's either I address it or we just keep feeling like this.
And let's be honest, it don't help that it gets dark so quickly. The sun's going down at 4 o'clock. And of course, the fact that it's not sunny, the fact that the sun's not out, it does make us feel a certain way.
But if I was to start with anywhere, where would I start? And so I had to bring it back because, you see, I know realistically I still need my phone. I can't just get rid of it. And to be fair, as I'm trying to upload content on social media for you guys, I can't just leave social media either. And so I've got something else for us. You could right now go on your phone, go on the screen time. My daily hour is 5 hours and 20 minutes. I think that's a lot. I don't know what, comment below what it is for you guys, but 5 hours and 20 minutes for me, that's crazy. Anyway, what you guys can do though, go on your app limits, add a limit, social media. Let's be honest, before we go to anything, let's just go on TikTok, okay? Because for me, I'd be honest with you, TikTok's a bit crazy, you know what I mean? And so you can go on TikTok, put in, I don't know, man, how long do you want to be on there? I don't want to be on there, honestly, more than 10 minutes, 20 minutes. That's true, 20 minutes. Imagine that, I could just go on there, upload, boom, 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 do my thing and get off. Listen, I recommend this to everyone because for me, I've been spending time on TikTok. Like what feels like hours and hours at times scrolling and going up and down on Instagram and TikTok and left and right and YouTube. And so, you know, for us to make sure we're being as productive as we can, I think this is essential. And I think you should do this to all your apps. I genuinely believe this. And don't do this right now, or maybe just get your phone out as I am doing this and go on your other apps, go on YouTube. You can go on YouTube. Let's go on YouTube. Boom the ting. Hang on, let's go find YouTube somewhere. Let's go Instagram first, right? And then let's do, honestly, man, I don't want to be on there too long either. I'm going to say 20 minutes. Honestly, 20 minutes every day, that's more than enough, isn't it, really? And so then let's go on YouTube as well. You know what? I'm not going to put a limit on YouTube, and I'm going to be smart about that myself, because actually on YouTube you can learn a lot. And so to be fair, do I really want to limit my time on YouTube? There's probably more good in it, in fairness. And if I want to listen to Quran for like 1 hour, I can't actually do that if I put a limit on it. So well, let's leave YouTube. But I think genuinely we have to put a limit on Instagram and TikTok. That's going crazy right now. The second thing, which I think has helped me so much in terms of being more productive, having more energy and not feeling as sluggish, is cutting out the sugar. Honestly, cutting the sugars out and trying to not have as many fizzy drinks, etc., etc. Listen, man, Red Bull's my weakness. Like, honestly, if you guys want to go and have your last Red Bull, that's cool. I'm down with that. I don't mind. But listen, this video on, we're going to hit the water. See what I mean? I love it. Yeah, honestly, I completely love it. But jokes aside, guys, you don't need to completely cut your sugar out and have no sugar at all. But if you're having 5 fizzy drinks every single day, limit it to 1 a day. You know what I mean? So I promise you, when I started drinking lots and lots and lots of water, it completely changed my life, and that is what I will advise to you. The third thing though, you guys have to be getting the sleep in. I promise you, if you are not sleeping the way you should be sleeping, 8 hours, 8.5 hours, you will feel sluggish, you will feel lazy, and you won't feel like doing anything. Don't just go into bed and get back on your phone and just spend the night on your phone, and then before you know it, you've only got 6 hours because you started watching something which was interesting, and now you're like, I don't want to go to sleep. Having 8.5 hours of sleep will change your life immensely, where you wake up and you feel like you have energy. You genuinely feel like you are a changed man. And if, like me, you have a little one and he doesn't sleep that much, honestly, you need to be in bed for 10 hours. This is a message for myself before you guys, by the way. I need to be in bed for 10 hours so I can sleep 8 hours, because he's waking up. I might as well take that on board. He is going to be awake and staying awake for an hour, 2 hours. Mama, baba, pick me up, pick up. You know, I get that every night. right, I understand. Waking up early is so powerful. Waking up like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning when everything is like quiet and everything is like no one's awake and the sun's just coming up, and the Fajr time, which right now is like 5:30, is genuinely one of those times which feels really beautiful. It honestly feels amazing to be up at that time. Everyone's asleep, you feel some mad energy. I would recommend you guys waking up at 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning and experiencing that. You really do feel like you have a really productive day. Waking up early is so powerful, and I honestly would recommend it to you guys. And number 4, no doubt I will tell you guys this: try to wake up as early as you can, be as productive as you can. But when it's 9 o'clock, guess what? You'll be there like, oh, I can take on the world. You will feel like Spartan. You will feel like Spartan because you have spent 5 hours awake when everyone else is just about to start to wake up. I don't know what it is, but you guys try it and let me know how you felt when you woke up at 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. At number 5 though.
The gym. Now let's be honest, if you're hitting the gym and you're actually, working hard at the gym, trust me man, it's an experience that, to be fair, helps with energy so much. In terms of productivity, in the beginning it's going to feel hard, but honestly after it gets so much easier and actually you have so much more energy levels and you generally have energy to do things throughout the day.
But if you really want to make sure you're being productive and making the most of your time, to be honest with you, it's not even about doing crazy changes. And that's something we always try to do. Like, how can I just completely change my life? Sometimes it's about making those small little changes. And so the 5 things I've mentioned, don't feel like you need to do all of them, but feel like you want to implement some. One thing, if you implement one thing over 3 months and then 3 months you implement something else, a year later you would have implemented 4 different things which should generally make you a lot more productive and actually give you energy, stop you from being lazy, and actually make an impact in your life. And that is exactly what we're trying to do for you guys to be as productive as you can, and for me also. So obviously if you've benefited from the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Y'all amazing, man. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.